Hello everyone, it's another nice day in West Silvertown and I am on the way to Heathrow Airport, see what I can catch. Do manage to seem to catch an A380 or two whenever I get down there, so hopefully the pattern will continue. Last time I was really early in the morning, and I know if you catch them in the afternoon I think you can catch them then, but it is what it is. As you're going to see, there's nothing really going on there at the moment. I usually tend to wait for one to come in or take off, but not going to hang around, just going to meet you at Heathrow. See you there. So I know I said see you there, but look how calm the water is. For those who haven't seen this before. Another perfect day for it, although I hope I didn't get too much of the sun glare, because I think that might have been an issue last time. It meant to cloud over in a few hours, so that might be just right. Alright, now I'll see you there. Hey everyone, I'm here on my spot near Hatton Cross Station, as you can see behind me. The sun's not too bad today, it's not on my eyes really, so the shots should come better, so good. See you there. Airbus A319 apparently. Boeing 787-9 Dreamliner coming in there. Boeing 777-336 coming in there. Boeing 777-333 coming in. Canada. Boeing 767-432. Boeing 787-8 Dreamliner coming in from St. Louis, British Airways. It's an A320, Airbus A320-251N. Coming from Naples. There's A320-232 coming in from Pisa. The bloody lorry. So it's Boeing 787 Dreamliner coming in from Delhi. So Boeing 777-236. This one's also Boeing 777-236. This is going to be an Air Canada one. Airbus A330 941. No, the lorry's not going to steal the show. That one is. That's got now Airbus A350 1041 Etihad coming up from Abu Dhabi. My next favourite from A380, but still pretty impressive. Airbus A320 232 coming in from Vienna, British Airways. Another A320 232. British Airways. Got a small one now, Logan ATR 72600, I think, from memory. Often see these, well not often, but sometimes at London City Airport, along with the Embraer 190s. Airbus A321 251 NX. There's the Egypt Air Boeing 777-36R. British Airways Boeing 787-839 coming towards us now. Airbus A319 coming in, SPU, it's different. Airbus A350 10041 coming in. Qatar. Airbus Airbus A320 SAS Airlines. Radar says it's an Airbus A320 last time, so don't question me. And they say it was 190 in per hour. You tell me. Airbus A320 300 coming in from Paris. Boeing 777, American Airlines, after Charlotte. Boeing 777-236 going to New York. Delta, Boeing 767. Airbus A350 on its way to Denver. Airbus A350. So we have an Airbus A380 in the queue to take off, along with got a 777 there going to Raleigh, American Airlines. So we'll look forward to both of them taking off. Alright, Boeing 777 here. Next up we got the Airbus A380. Here it comes. Here's the A380, Emirates. Airbus A350 going to Orlando, Virgin Atlantic. Air India, Boeing 7879. Canada, Airbus A330. Boeing 767 3CB going to Chicago, Orlando. No, Chicago. American Airlines Boeing 777 going to New York. United, Boeing 777-222, going to Houston. Emirates A380 861. This should be a multicoloured plane. Boeing 777-236 going to Bermuda. Airbus A380 A41 going to Boston. Qatar Airbus A350 1041. Boeing 777-333, Air Canada. Boeing 777-36N, Egypt Air, going to Cairo. This is Airbus A380 841, British Airways. Look at that. Alright, that's it everyone. Thanks for watching. What a fantastic filming session that was. 4 Airbus A380s. Never have I caught that many in one filming session. Yeah, if you made it to the end, fair play. Thank you very much. If you like seeing this sort of stuff, please like and subscribe if you haven't done already. Thank you very much. And see you for the next time. Thanks for watching.